No, from here.
Masa? No, cut. No, I don't think so. Because there is nothing to support it. So, we are cutting kanigir. Not kanigir, kecipir. Because mom's plant, which is called langsat, is very weak now. And suffering because it's very heavy. It's getting wild, this plant. So you can cut everything. Cut it. We will replant later somewhere else. Gitu ya. Yeah, you can cut everything, release it. Thank you. Yeah. So everything need to be cleaned because this original plant cannot handle it. So Sayang is trying his best in order to release mom's favorite plant. Look how heavy it is. Berat sekali. No space left. Masya Allah. Fully where?
Yeah.
No, at least we know that it is very wild. So just release it.
Next time we shouldn't.
You shouldn't put it. I didn't expect that. Honest to God. Well, mom said, yep, pull it. Mom said, "Are you sure it's gonna be heavy, Lo?" She said. Don't let my plant die. Iyalah.
You won't let it die, innit?
No. We will release it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Thank
like
you.
parasites.
Yeah, like, but
Around and around.
it's just no. It's like a snake, you know. I mean, not parasite. Look heavy, eh? Masya Allah. Look at that, the original plant.
Yeah.
Cut it nih, di sini ada. Sayangku is trying to release mom's favorite plant from the wild kecipir. Wah, it's bending already. Cut around first, Baba. So it's not gonna be heavy like that hanging. Masya Allah. How suffer it is before, yeah. Oh, we didn't expect that it is more, and more. It's nice to get the fruit, but pity for the original plant. Ada. Next time.
You could produce all the way along.
Yeah, and it goes again and again and again, kan ya?
Yeah.
But next time we will find out the place. Not like this. The original one is suffering. Yeah, yes, finally release. Apa? Yeah, finally, yay! Going back. Congratulations. Still not full. Need to be clean still.